Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks surged higher as a raft of corporate earnings results came in ahead of expectations. The Dow Jones closed 0.69% higher, the S&P 500 gained 1.2%, and the Nasdaq surged 1.59%. In company news, Spotify rallied 11.4% after it delivered better than expected earnings and upgraded guidance going forward. UPS and GE Aerospace both delivered better than expected results, closing 2.4% and 8.3% higher respectively. PepsiCo closed 2.9% lower after reporting that recalls and weaker lower income consumer hurt demand in the US. Tesla reported results after the bell. Tesla reported a 9% revenue drop, its steepest decline since 2012. Despite the challenges, Tesla plans to launch more affordable models and optimize existing product lines to achieve growth targets. Meta Platforms will report on Wednesday afternoon. Google parent Alphabet and Microsoft round out the technology-heavy earnings week on Thursday. Roughly 20% of the S&P 500 has reported earnings through Tuesday. Of those companies, 76% have beaten analyst expectations, FactSet data shows. Elsewhere, the Treasury yields pulled back after US manufacturing data hit a 4-month low. The S&P Global Flash US Manufacturing PMI read 49.9, down from 51.9 in March. Turning to US sectors, all closed higher overnight except for materials, which closed 0.84% lower. Communications was the best performer, closing higher by 1.86%. Shifting to the European markets, the FTSE 100 marked its second record close in a row, hitting a new high of 8,044.81. The benchmark Stoxx 600 index ended the session up by 1.1%. Germany's DAX index closed higher by 1.6%, while France's CAC 40 rose 0.8%. Turning to Asia-related news, Chinese speculators driving gold prices to record highs signal a growing influence of Asian traders over Western counterparts, with long positions on the Shanghai Futures Exchange surging by almost 50% since September, reaching a record high of 324,857 contracts this month amid escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Turning to the Australian landscape, Australia's March quarter inflation figures at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time are the main focus for traders today. The market is fully priced for the Reserve Bank to start easing, but not before 2025. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thank you for listening.